Hi guys, so today I wanted to show you how you can refill Caffitaly coffee pods. So this is a used pod. The unused ones just don't have this hole in it. The bottom is just lightly pierced. You can see just a small slit in that bottom divot here. But that's okay because you're just going to be using this one extra time. I wanted to do this because I actually had these corporate sized pods for an espresso machine, and I thought that I could use them in a regular Nespresso, but unfortunately it's only for like the hotels and business sized or business type machines. So anyways, I wanted to just reuse the actual espresso in here so it wouldn't go to waste. And I realized that there is a way to empty out the old coffee grounds and then put new ones in here. So this is what it looks like, the Caffitaly pod, when you remove that top seal. So I just peeled off the seal, and there is a top filter first. So you're going to just remove this plastic filter. Make sure you keep that, and also just remember which way it went in. So the little divot here goes down on the first filter. So with all these extra coffee grounds, just dump them in the garbage. I have a little spoon. Okay, so once all of the grounds are removed, just like this, you're going to get, you're going to see the bottom filter here as well. So try to remove that. Actually, the easiest way is just pop it out from the bottom. So you're going to have that second filter here, and then just rinse out all of the three pieces. So you're going to rinse the main pod, plastic casing. You're going to rinse the two filters. Try to rinse from both sides to remove all of the grounds that may be stuck in those very small holes. Okay, so here you're going to have the two filters, then the one big plastic casing. I'd probably recommend letting these stay out to dry overnight, but for the sake of time, I'm going to dry them on the spot with a clean paper towel. You might notice there are just little specks of coffee grounds in there because the espresso is so fine, but that's okay. I find it incredible to know that there are such detailed little pieces in each pod. It seems a bit wasteful to throw it all in the trash, but luckily you can find like refillable metal pods like this. I'm not there yet, or you could clean every little bit and then recycle it, but that's just an option if you're really eco-friendly. So here is the Nespresso pod, and I'm just going to cut it open. Notice that it's just a nicely pressed kind of puck of espresso grounds. So you're going to get your clean cup. You're going to put the bottom filter in with the little divot up. You're going to grab the new grounds, and you could also grind your own espresso and put it in there, but press it right into the cup. Wonderful. I'm just going to put this top filter, press it down into the espresso. Next step is tin foil. With this tin foil, I fold it in half, just like so. I'm going to grab my pod, push it over the top, and then you're going to want to seal up the top as best as possible. Make sure the foil is nice and flat. Then what I do with my nails is I just go around the edge like a pie crust kind of and really try to seal it down well. And I did double layered tin foil just to ensure that the seal is extra strong and so that no water seeps out when the coffee is brewing. Don't put any tape or glue or any kind of sticking agent because you don't want that in your coffee. And you can carefully cut excess foil just so that you're not putting too much bulky plastic and foil into your machine. There you have it. Now you can slot this pod into the machine and I've done it before. The coffee comes out just fine. I'll admit that the Nespresso is not nearly as good as the Caffitaly in flavor, but this is a surefire way you can reuse both the exterior pod and the 2 filters to brew a nice fresh cup of espresso. Cheers!